I think it's good. Okay, but because if you move it, no, don't let it go. Ahí tenelo.
Hey everybody, wanted to give you another update on our Bel Air project. The electrician's down here. He's going to be putting in a sub panel. We've got a little bit more trim inside our storage area. And then I want to take you outside and show you the siding we got put on the outside. It turned out great. A couple pieces left here to fill in. But yeah, as you can see behind me, we got the siding on the outside of storage area. You see above, guys are starting to put some screen up there. We love getting this to this point of the project. Let me flip you around. Got our makeshift walkway here. We do have some pavers being ordered. Get our paver patio in. Got some lighting installed on the stairs. Got our gates in. We're going to reconfigure some of these gates. Yeah, guys are putting some screen in. Hopefully get our screen doors in, get all this wrapped up. Not sure if I showed you the siding on the outside of the wall. But yeah, we got our screen in. This stuff is looking great. Yeah, so that's it. We got the electrician here. He's going to get our outlet in the fireplace. We'd like to get that fired up maybe Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Got our outlets in the walls here. Got an outlet underneath that window. Got an outlet under that window. Got our outlet next to the door. Of course, our hose bib again. Get our lighting installed. Ceiling fan. He was able to fire up his grill over the weekend, so that gas line's working down there for the grill. Got another outlet going in on that post, and then directly across, got another outlet going in on this post here. Super excited to be at this point of this project. Feels like it's been a pretty long road getting to this point, but as they say, devil's in the details, right? Getting the icing on the cake at this point. It's just good to have everybody out here, everybody on the same page of what's going on, and get this thing completed. We're actually hoping to be pretty much done by the end of the week. I'm sure there's always going to be something, but we've come a long way. Love the way the project turned out. Happy to get it done. Customer loves it. They're anxious to get us out of here, I'm sure. It's been a pretty big project. It's taken a little while to do. We still got to do something with the yard, but we'll get that taken care of. A few downspouts need to be buried. Got a couple exterior lights going on too. We got a floodlight over in this outside corner here. We're putting a light over one of the doors. Plus, I already had an existing floodlight over on that corner over there. Plenty of light. We'll be able to shine on this project, for their evening dinners and things like that. So great. Thanks for watching. As always, get outside. It's a beautiful day. Temperatures are warmer, and we'll see you on the next one. Get some finished shots when this thing's all completed for you. Super excited to share it all with you. Get outside.